Hello and welcome to Floorplan Home Designer. Let's have a quick overview. This is the main screen where you can see all your projects and manage them. Create, delete, clone, and share. Now, let's create a new project. Here's the editor screen where you design your dream home. Isolated floor plan, draw walls and rooms. Place furniture and organize levels. As you move your furniture, you can adjust its properties in the inspector panel. In the same way, you can change the properties of walls and rooms. You can delete any object or duplicate furniture items. Also, you can undo and redo your actions. You can switch between 2D and 3D views. Here you have a catalog with construction elements, such as windows, doors, stairs. Furniture. You can drag and drop materials on any object in the scene to give unique look and style. Use color palette to change color on any object in the scene. You can change quality of the picture by using the bottom right toolbar. Choose max speed on slow computers and high quality on computers with a powerful graphics card. We can add a 3D person and choose a unit of length by using a bottom left toolbar. When you're done, just exit back to the projects list and all your current project changes will be saved automatically.